With close to 10 million streamers worldwide on Twitch alone in 2021, standing out in a crowded market is crucial to gaining loyal followers. We've created this list of Envato Element's top 10 Photoshop stream overlay templates for both professional and recreational streamers to help spruce up their channels and gain traction online. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Stream Overlay by fabstudio. Kicking off our countdown is a practical, versatile stream overlay that is perfect for a range of uses. It's ready to use with streaming software and simple to edit with vector-based shapes and smart objects. Easy peasy. Number 9. Video Overlay version 9. Video Streaming Overlay by themedistrict. This stream overlay is well and truly suited to gamers who want to cement a professional look for themselves. A Facecam section is included in the overlay so you can easily interact with your fans and followers while gaming. Number 8. Stream Overlay by fabstudio. The number 8 addition to our countdown has a sleek, modern design that's perfect for a professional vlog or interview series. This stream overlay pack includes a lower third overlay, dual screen overlay, closing screen, and much more. Number 7. Glitch Twitch Gamer Kit by Sco4. This futuristic overlay for gamers is seriously slick. It includes social media links and indicator bars, as well as a profile banner and other cool features. It'll help you stand out from your competition for sure. Number 6. Twitch Facecam Overlay version 12 by micromove. Live streaming is all about entertaining online. There are many different ways to entertain, and this template is suited to the majority of them. From vlogs to gaming, influencers to freelancers, and many other industries, this template will engage any audience. To keep up with future countdowns like this, Envato Elements Top 10 Photoshop Stream Overlay Templates list, be sure to ring that subscription bell, like, and share. Now, we've got 5 more stream overlay templates to visit. Let's get back to it. Number 5. Neon Gaming Twitch by Sco4. Light up your Twitch stream with the neon lights of Las Vegas. This bright, bold overlay set contains a webcam overlay and 3 offline screens with editable text, so you can make sure your subscribers know exactly when you'll be streaming next. Number 4. Night Podcast Twitch Overlay by Sco4. This jazzy overlay pack is perfect for music-themed streams. It's been designed so that your audience can imagine themselves in a bar listening to some fabulous live music, all from the comfort of their own home. Number 3. Holographic Podcast Twitch Kit by Sco4. This holographic overlay kit is full of shining goodies for you to put to use in your stream. With a profile banner, video overlay, and offline screen all included, you've got everything you need to start streaming like a pro. Number 2. Stream Overlay by fabstudio. If you need a professional yet inspired vibe for your stream, look no further than this minimalist overlay pack. It is perfect for influencers, lifestyle vloggers, and other creative channels on Twitch, YouTube, and similar hosting platforms. Number 1. Twitch Gamer Kit by Sco4. Take your stream up a notch with one of the very best stream overlay templates this side of Skyrim. From the neon text to the intuitive placement of the chat and webcam overlay sections, you cannot go wrong with this in your toolkit. Leave a comment below to let us know your favorite item on this Envato Elements Top 10 Photoshop Stream Overlay Templates Countdown. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Envato channel, and we'll keep making more helpful content. The next video in the queue has been selected just for you, so be sure to check it out before you leave. Find all the stream overlay templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Now go on, you've definitely got time to make your channel look amazing before your next stream is due to start.